What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, you are most welcome. My name is Joecy. Today I'll be showing you how I put together this nutrient packed platter of balsamic chicken avocado caprese salad. Everyone I've made this salad for absolutely enjoyed it, and I thought to myself, why don't I come and share the recipe with you guys? Somebody might just like it. It's quite easy to put together. All you need to do is watch keenly as I put everything together. If this sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching, and please do not forget to smash that like button if you find this recipe helpful, and do not forget to subscribe for more food, family and lifestyle vlogs, and for chit chat about very relatable topics. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm going to start with the marinade because I'm going to use it to marinate the chicken before I move on to prep the salad. Here I have my whole black pepper. I'm just going to crush that in there, not too much because you don't want the black pepper taste to overshadow the rest of the ingredients. And in this other crusher I have my pink Himalayan salt. I'll just go ahead and crush. The quantity is up to your personal taste. Again, I'm not measuring because it depends on what quantity of marinade you want to make. I'm just going to use some of this marinade to marinate my chicken. I'll go ahead and crush a little bit of pink Himalayan salt just to get the chicken to taste a bit more. If you don't like salt, you really don't need it because the flavors from the marinade is already enough to season the chicken to a great taste. And half a cube of Maggi seasoning. So I go ahead and use my fingers to marinate the chicken properly because I don't like chicken that tastes good on the outside and the inside is just bland. Now our chicken is properly marinated. I'm just going to set it aside for about 30 minutes to 1 hour before I go ahead and pan sear it. Please, let's just ignore the state of this frying pan. This is the one frying pan that I have decided to set aside for things like this so that I don't end up ruining all my frying pans. My frying pan is completely hot now, so I'm going to reduce the heat and put it on medium, and I'll just go ahead and place my well marinated chicken breast fillet in the pan. It's important to give the chicken enough room from each other so that they cook very well. I'll just let it sear for about 10 minutes, then we're going to flip it. So guys, for our balsamic chicken avocado caprese salad, I'm going to be using some cherry tomatoes. You can go ahead and use grape tomatoes if you can't find cherry tomatoes where you are, and I'm going to be using some mozzarella pearls. Fresh mozzarella balls are best in this, but you can use any size. I did not see the fresh mozzarella balls, so I went for the mozzarella pearls. I'm going to be using 2 large avocados because I'll be making a very large platter of this balsamic chicken avocado caprese salad. And I'll be using 2 packs of romaine hearts lettuce. Any kind of lettuce would work just fine. Even spinach would work perfectly for the salad base. And we're going to be needing some fresh basil as well. You can use any fresh herbs of your choice if you don't like basil. So guys, let me quickly go ahead and rinse our vegetables and also drain the water from our mozzarella pearls, and we're going to put this beautiful salad together. Before I go ahead to rinse our veggies, let's flip our chicken breast fillet. It's been about 10 minutes already, so it's time to flip this over. I'll let this here again for another 10 minutes, and that will be it for our chicken breast fillet. This is the color you want to achieve for your balsamic chicken avocado caprese salad. I'm going to let this sit in the pan for at least 4 minutes before I go ahead to slice it, so that it retains all its juices and flavors. You don't want to lose that. It's advisable to let any kind of protein rest for at least 4 minutes in order not to lose its flavors and juices. So I'm going to do just that with this chicken while I go ahead to prep the rest of the salad. To chop this too small, neither do you have to chop it too big. These leaves are not so fresh though, they look a bit battered but we are good like that. You really don't need too much of this basil, you just need enough to garnish your salad. The next thing that needs to be sliced is our avocado. All you need to do is put a knife through it like this. Look at that, very buttery. If the avocado peeling comes off easily, just like this one, you don't need a spoon to scoop it out. This one came off so easily. You need to handle this with care so that you don't mash your avocado. It doesn't have to be exactly equal, just make sure they don't look too different from each other. If your avocado is sticking on the peelings, you can get a spoon and just gently do this, and boom, it's out. I already drained water from our mozzarella pearls. Let's set this aside. Now it's time to slice the chicken. You have to make sure your hands are well washed and clean. You don't want to feed people with dirt, so wash your hands clean before handling food. This is where the leftovers marinade comes in. This salad is not the kind of salad that you have to serve on your plate before you add dressing to it. So we're going to use some of this to just put over our salad. Not too much, just need to put enough to taste. Make sure that your basil leaves at least touch all the corners of your plate. Et voila! Say hello to this beautiful platter of balsamic chicken avocado caprese salad Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Have you tried this kind of salad before? Did you like it? Is it something you would like to try? Is there something I added that you would not want to add to your own? Or is there something that I did not add that you would like to add to your own salad? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, guys. That is where the conversation happens. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly consider subscribing for more food, family and lifestyle vlogs, and for chit chats about very relatable topics. I love you all. Continue to drink a lot of water and mind the business that pays you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.